Hey, sorry guys, I'm back. My phone ran out of space. Alright, so I went to the local junkyard. I picked up this part. I actually grabbed 3 of them. Because at the junkyard, you never really know what's going to be good, what's going to be bad. So I'm going to hold on to these for actual spares. Anyway, the way you switch it out, the actual coil, the fastener for the coil is a 7/32 socket. Okay, and then the actual fastener for the plug is a 7mm. It takes you about, I don't know, 5 minutes to swap all this stuff out relatively quickly. I actually left my plug wires on so I wouldn't lose track of the firing order because I'm dyslexic and, you know, shit happens. Anyhow, now this thing runs like new water. Got it for 400 bucks. Before it would barely start. Gotta do the key. But, well, I don't have my key on me. Whatever, it's irrelevant. It runs really good. So the P0300 code on a Series 2 Buick Park Avenue, or probably any Series 2 for that matter, could definitely be caused by that. Sometimes it's caused by the upper and or lower intake gaskets, NOx sensor. There's a few different things that can cause it. But in my experience, if you're having the super rough idle and you're not getting, it feels like it's only running on 4 cylinders, it's most likely the ICM. It took me hours to figure this out through all the different forums and videos and all that stuff on YouTube. So I'm